Tristan, do we have a Christmas tree? What is it, baby?
It's like beautiful.
Oh. What is it? Oh, pretty. Oh. What is it, baby? Where did that come from? Where did it come from? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Pretty touches, Tristan. Oh.
Gentle.
What is it, baby? Oh, he got it. He got it. What else is there, huh? What you got? Tristan. Hey, chocolate.
Cool. Mom, look at those raindrops.
Yeah.
They're golden.
Hey. Hey.
Look at those raindrops. I know they're not raindrops, but they look like golden raindrops.
What happened to our house, buddy? Tristan. What do you see? What is it, baby?
He pulled the ornament off the tree.
Say bye-bye.